Mebusiafo were from VJ Park or Rich. Na aware there or China or ye former quick credits as sisi our friend Bell's Microfinance na kofa buy ni ra. Say ne birthday 40th birthday in order shashado. Na say etitsir for we invite when emi fiwa. Me colleagues are we invite when be nye Davido from Nigeria. Diamond Platinum. Sarkodie, RMD actor. Kiddy. Rita Dominic. Stoneboy. Ramsey Noah. Ken Promise. Etitiru so awon Dangote wo. Oye ni taki teko. Nkran odikro ohenara oreba. Ena ase Kwame despite.
It be set up.
Oreba. My so me kiss kafa oreba no.
In the mechanical,
It be set up. All be lie. It be set up.
We're from VJ Park or Rich. Na aware there or China or ye former quick credits as sisi our friend Bell's Microfinance na kofa buy ni ra. Or say ne birthday 40th birthday in order shashado. Na say etitsir for we invite when emi fiwa. Me colleagues are we invite when be nye Davido from Nigeria. Diamond Platinum. Sarkodie, RMD actor. Kiddy. Rita Dominic. Stoneboy. Ramsey Noah. Ken Promise. Etitiru so awon no Dangote wo. Oye ni taki teko. Nkran odikro ohenara oreba. Ena ose Kwame despite na brother sapon oreba. My so me kiss kafa oreba no ho. But I think this is beautiful. But was can you want to know for? But asama ma catcher oye your brother in there. Sisi yara nisikan waso na waban. Obohu anyankofu bi. There are a lot of people that will claim that wanyananam then be Paddy, Richard, ni Quaye. Time here woman, you find a lot of friends, you find a lot of people who love you. You won't find one person for your town for bets. When you wonder ho, men who be that. Odum bribin obi enyim nam one. Odum bribin na nam one on your biana yanko. Marakasa wa beboom. Sisi ya worry uzano no bia beduwechi. But brother, open your eyes like this. You chrome ha. Kofu pin ye fake. You will scar. Ye wanyanko. E kwa huchima. You on your own. Fafadwen na nkomo. Birthday no so. Yari baby didi. For free.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. But yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All be lie. You said all be lie.
Talk to the rich.